Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see about the topic manual testing. So, what is manual testing? What are the different types of manual testing? How we perform the manual testing? Advantages and disadvantages of manual testing. We will see all this information about manual testing in this video. So, starting with what is manual testing? As the name suggests, manual testing is one in which application testing happens manually. So here, manual testing is a type of software testing in which test cases are executed manually by a tester without using any automated tool. So the purpose of manual testing is to identify the bugs, issues, defects in the software applications. The test cases or scenarios are executed one by the testers manually without using any ready-made tools, and then results are verified here. So manual testing is the most primitive techniques for all the types of testing, and it helps to find critical bugs in the software application. Here test plan document is prepared that act as guide to the testing process in order to have the complete test coverage. Manual testing concept does not require knowledge of any testing tool because we are doing testing all in manually. One of the software testing fundamental is 100% automation is not possible. This makes manual testing imperative. So here any new application must be manually tested before its testing can be automated. Manual software testing requires more effort but is necessary to check automation feasibility. So these are the some of the key points of manual testing. Next is goal of manual testing. So here the key concept of manual testing is to ensure that the application is error free and it is working in conformance to the specified functional requirements. Here the test suites or cases are designed during the testing phase and should have 100% test coverage. It also makes sure that reported defects are fixed by the developer and retesting has been performed by tester once the defects are fixed. Basically, this testing checks the quality of the system and delivers bug-free product to the customer. So these are the some of the main goals of manual testing. The next is types of manual testing. So there are different types of manual testing. I have just given the list of these types. We will see in our next videos in depth about these types. So black box testing, white box testing, unit testing, system integration, acceptance testing. These are the some of the types of manual testing. So next is how to perform manual testing. So to perform manual testing, first point is read and understand the software project documentation or guides which we have with us about the application. Also study the application under test if available. Second is draft test cases that covers all the requirements mentioned in the document given. Third one is review and baseline the test cases with team lead or client as applicable. Next is execute the test cases on the UAT, means application under test. Then report bugs when you find the bugs when we test the application. Once bugs are fixed, again execute the failing test cases to verify they pass. Okay, these are some of the points we use while we perform the manual testing. Next is when to perform manual testing. So there are some of the types of testing where we need manual testing. The first one is ad hoc testing. So ad hoc testing is nothing but informal or unplanned testing. In this testing, we doesn't have any specific approach defined. So there is no documentation associated with. The only important factor is the knowledge and insight of the tester. So at this while doing this ad hoc testing we need manual testing, so we cannot as we don't have any documentation or any specific approach defined for testing, we have to do manual testing here. The another one type is usability testing. We perform usability testing as assess how convenient, effective and user friendly the product has turned out to be for the end user. So this point we need manual testing. For this assessment, we require the highest manual intervention and cannot rely on the tool to assess it for us. So, to evaluate the product from end to end for end user point of view, we opt for manual testing while doing usability testing. The next one is exploratory testing. When the documentation of the test is poor and we have a short time for execution, in such case, we use exploratory testing. Here in this testing, we requires analytical skills and creativity of the tester and the tester's product knowledge. So we have to do manual testing while doing exploratory testing. So these are some of the points where we need to perform manual testing. Next is advantages of manual testing. Manual testing of an application identifies most of the issues, including the look and feel issues of the application, which is UI testing. So here, second advantages is visual components like text, layout, other components can easily be accessed by the tester and UI and UX issues can be detected in manual testing. Here, it usually has a low cost of operation as we do not use any tool or high level skill in manual testing. In manual testing, it is well suited in case we make some unplanned changes to the application as it is adaptable. Humans can observe, judge, and also provide intuition in case of manual test. And this is useful when it comes to user friendliness or rich customer experience. Okay, these are some of the advantages of manual testing. Next is disadvantages of manual testing. Manual testing is time consuming because we have to test all the we have to run the all test cases manually here. So it isn't easy to find size differences and color combinations of GUI objects using manual test. Also, performance testing like load testing or stress testing is impractical with the manual testing. When there is a large amount of tests, then running tests manually is a very time consuming job. Also, regression test cases performed using manual testing also are also time consuming. So we have to run regression test every time when the new build comes for testing. So it is time consuming. So these are some of the disadvantages of the manual testing. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.